Hi guys, I've got a bag review for you. It's Quadcopter bag review. Now I have done a review of another bag from Hubsan 109, and that you can see that in the links. But this is the one for a H501S. And what we'll do is we're going to have a look. So I got this from eBay. I'll put the link in the description below where I bought it from. The top of my head it was about £30, but you can pick them up all over the place. Banggood sell them, Gearbest sell them. Again, this is a hard case, so let's have a little look at it. Take out the packaging. It came well packed, so it was in a nice cardboard box, and there was no problems with delivery. It took about a week. So unlike the other bag review I've got, this one's a hard case. As you can see, it's a hard plastic case. It looks a bit like carbon fibre type of material, but it's not, it's just plastic. Yeah, so that is there. So it's got a zip runs all the way around, from the bottom all the way around to the top. The zippers seem okay, nothing special, but they seem okay. On the back there's a a grab handle, if you can see that. So zips go all the way down the top, and there's a grab handle here. It's a little bit different to the other bag review I've done. The other one was a flat piece of material, but this one's like been stitched. Looks a bit of a nicer job actually. And also, if I just lay it down, if you can see in the light, these supports look a bit more padded. They've also been stitched a little bit differently, and you've also got this chest part which secures it like that. So that's a bit different. One thing I will be putting on is a couple of lugs here, little bungee cords, so I can tighten that up. Nice soft packaging for your back, and also so the air can get through. Excuse me. So that's it for the bag. It's also a bit smaller as well. Weighs about the same compared to the other bag, and I'll show you the other bag in a moment. So let's open up and have a look inside. And again, this is for this quad. I'll just get the box. So that's for this quad. Yeah, H501S. Which I haven't done a review of this yet, so keep an eye out guys, because this is going to come next. Do a full review on this and a flight test. Yeah, with Hubsan. Okay, let's open it up and have a look inside. One thing to note is that's the bottom, so this is the top, not the other way around. So zip are nice and smooth, not binding at all. And it goes all the way around to the bottom, and then let's see what's inside. As you can see, I'll just zoom in a little bit. I've already put the Hubsan in there just to try it out. Just zoom in a little bit. That's okay. Okay, so as you can see, I've got some stuff in there. So the first thing I've got in, the first thing we see is a strap. Totally, I don't think you need it. I don't see what it's for really. Maybe if you wanted to pack some loose things in there, but to be fair, I don't think it's going to stop a great deal. But it's there anyway, just clips on. I'll just move a little bit closer so you can see in the bag from the top. That's better. So I've got the big controller in. I'll come with it. And the quad there. Loads of spaces for batteries, so I've got 4 batteries. So there's 1, 2, 3 and 4. These battery ones actually go deeper, so they go all the way through. Now, in fact, I've got a battery on me actually. That was lucky. So the battery should just go all the way in, down like that. So yeah, that's fine. But these ones, they only go down to there. So, and the same goes for them ones. Don't know what these are for, you can put in anything you want, but that's what they're for. Might want to put like things like these tools in I just have mine in there. So I've got a cleaning cloth, a propeller tool to take the propeller off, and then I have some spare props just in there. I found that's the easiest place to put the props. I mean, you could just drop them in there, but this seems to be a good place. They won't go in vertically, you have to go on an angle 45 degrees, but they go in. Okay, out the road, and they're not going to get damaged. And this, you could either just pop there, or into one of the battery ones. I just leave it in there. Other thing I've got in is just a reflector for my radio, and that just fits in there nice. Okay, now, straight away I had to alter this bag a little bit because it was for the other controller, the one with the bigger monitor. The quad fits in quite nice, can't complain about that, and the bottoms of the motors just fit to stop it from going any lower. One thing's worked out really good is the bottom, or the bottom there with the rubber thing on, touches here, so it actually stops. So when that's in like that, and this radio can't fall out. So that's worked out really good. So what I had to do to get this fit is, I'll take this out, show you. So there's the radio, fits in okay. I've had to take out, just, I don't know if you can see there, I'll just zoom in a little bit. You can just see about the carve away. We'll get me a screwdriver or something. So I've had to carve away all this here. Well, not I say all this, just a little bit from about there to there. And the same on the other side. And I trimmed a little bit off here for the blade or the prop, and a little bit here, and that was it. In fact, there's the bits. Just zoom back out again. Yep, there's the pieces I took off. So not a great deal you've had to take off. So fits in really nice. I've used it a few times. And it'll fit both controllers, but that one just goes in there. Again, I had to shave a little bit off this corner just so this goes in. This sticks up a little bit, this 5.8 gig paddle antenna. If you just shave a little bit off that corner, it should be okay. And it sits in there nice and snug. And then when you come to put the quad in, these legs push against the rubber, so you got rubber on rubber there, which is nice. Yeah, I like that. That just goes on, you push it down, it won't go any more, it won't go any further down, but that's solid. So even if it tips upside down, it won't go anywhere. And I just printed some of these little things out to go on. Okay, I need to print another red one out, but I'll do that later. So guys, I'll keep your manual just here, just in case you need some specs for something. This part, the top part is actually glued on, but you can't take this out. So that is the bag review for the H501S. What I'm going to do now is compare and show you the other one. So what I'll do is I'll just put this somewhere where you can see both. So if I put this maybe like that, and then get the other one, which is Realacc. Is that Realacc? I think it's the same company actually. There's no markings on it, but I think it's the same company. This one I got just for this one, which has got the Hubsan 109. I got this from Banggood, and I've got a link in the descriptions where I got this from. If I lay it down, you can see the size. I'm just going to move back a little bit so you can get a bit of perspective. Okay. So it's about the same height this way, length. This one's a little bit wider by about, in fact I'll get a tape measure. It's about 14 inches wide, and this one is 13, so about an inch more. And the depth is a little bit more. That's about 7.5 inches, and this one is 9. so it's a little bit bigger. Let's open up, have a look inside and just compare both of them. I like the zips on this one, seems to be a bit smoother. This one opens the other way around, so I have to turn it round. I keep my props on the side. Pull it up there. And that one just opens up like that. So as you can see, move a bit closer. So I'll open that up so you can see it. Hope you can see that there. Okay. A little bit. So now I've got a bag for both of them, which I'm really pleased by. Same type of thing, I've got one of those in for that. The controller goes vertically in this one. And I've got a couple of props. My props go in the side. And I've got a bigger space so I can carry things like this. The screen. Which I couldn't really get that in there. I mean, I could put it underneath, but it'd be laid on top where this is. So if I was going to use it, I'd have to find a way to carry this. But as you can see, there's no way that one will go inside there. It's just a different, there's just no space for that. It's a different animal altogether. Totally different. Okay, pop that back in. So guys, what more can I say about the bag? I like it. It's really comfortable, if not more comfortable to carry. So this one's more comfortable than this one to carry, but there's no weight in them, so it doesn't make a difference really. Doesn't make any difference to me. I can carry all my batteries I need in there. These ones I tend to carry my batteries just in another bag, but I have got space for them here. But just as a comparison, you can see. So this is the review for that. Hope you like this review, guys. Any questions, leave in there some comments below. Please like and subscribe, so I really appreciate that. And I hope you like this review, guys. Thanks for watching.